Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Lady T, if you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stick around. And if you've been here before, I'm glad you came back. So, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I am making fried rices, chicken fried rice and beef fried rice. So, check out my Lady T recipe and stick with me, and hopefully you guys will make it if you like it. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, you guys, I'm going to add some oil to this pan. And the tools I'm using are these, and I will be using this because I couldn't find any of them that was metal. They were all plastic, and that's not going to work. So we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, as you can see, this pan is smoking hot. So I'm going to add my eggs in first and cook them first. So it's quick, y'all. These eggs come off and go to the side. Right now, I will add them in later. So now, I'm going to add more oil, you guys. And I have some chicken that I have thin breast, chicken breast. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Chicken breast that I had sliced thin, one chicken breast. I sliced it into strips and then into small quarters, and I added cornstarch and soy sauce and let it marinate. So we're gonna fry some of that up now. Okay, now you got your chicken cooked. Add just a little more oil. And we're going to add some beef to it. The beef is also chopped up thin and strips. And it also has soy sauce and cornstarch, I'm sorry. The cornstarch helps to keep the meat tender. There's no other seasonings on this meat right now. All we're using in this is salt and pepper, sesame seed oil, soy sauce with ginger in it and regular soy sauce, green onions, and bean sprouts. So, let's finish browning this steak up. I'm in here playing Iron Chef for y'all, so I hope y'all appreciate it and try the recipes. We'll be right back. These are the bean sprouts I'm using by LaChoy. And this is the rice that I'm using, Jasmine. It's a Thai mixture long grain rice. This is the brand. Really good for making fried rice. Okay, you guys, now the beef is done. Here comes the Iron Chef part. So, clink that out a little bit. I'm gonna add some more oil up in there. Now, my rice I cooked yesterday morning, so it will be a day old. It does get sticky, but it usually still fries up just fine. So, let's add some of the rice, y'all. Chop that rice up. And add more oil if you need. I need more oil. Okay. Add that. Add a little salt and a little pepper. Watch your salt intake because all of these flavorings, the ginger soy sauce has salt in it. You're gonna add that. We'll be adding some sesame seed oil and regular soy sauce. I have green onions. This is the top part of the green onions. Goes in first. And I have some bean sprouts. I don't like a lot of vegetables in mine, so I don't put that in mine. And I would have made shrimp, but I think the beef and the chicken is enough for us. Okay, I'm gonna show you what we're looking like with just the rice, the onions, and the bean sprouts. Now I'm going to add some chicken and beef and eggs to it. So let's add some chicken. I'm going to add all these eggs and all the beef because we like ours in a combination. So toss that around, you guys. I like mine dark, so I add a little more soy sauce to mine. Depend on your salt intake. The green onion part, the bottom part of the onion, the green onion, the greenest part, you guys. And you have some fried combination rice, chicken and beef. There you go, you guys. And I'm telling you, and I'm guaranteed, this is delicious, y'all. Y'all gonna love it. If you eat Chinese food from the restaurant, go ahead and try my recipe. You're gonna be surprised. My only thing I would say to you is make the eggs separate instead of adding them in and spinning your rice because it makes it gooey for some reason. So I like to do my eggs separate and then add them in, and this is what you come out with, you guys. I hope you guys make this recipe. Leave me some comments down below and let me know. Me and the hubby is about to tear this up, you guys. So, I hope you join me back on the next one. This is your girl, Lady T, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Much love to you guys. Stay blessed. And hit that subscribe button, hit that like bell, and leave me a comment down below. Peace.